there you have it.
Stock. He's keeping his, I guess. And then we have the unlock.
Same thing.
It is. We sending out the trans module too, or not yet?
Got one coming.
Okay. So what's game plan?
Makes 15 pounds stock. Game plan is to tune this. I just did the baseline. I'm flashing it right now.
I know you're eager to get tuning.
Yeah, I'm pretty excited about this. I'm actually not gonna lie about that.
Rightfully so.
This car already has headers on it. So we did them, well, a customer did them actually, like when they first came out, we sold them the headers and we put them on, so.
It has the GM performance intake too.
Yeah, just a little box. I don't really know how much that does, but. So I mean, this will be like a, basically probably like a stage 1 package, just a little GM air box, until something else comes out at least. GM air box, American Racing headers, 2-inch, and then a tune. I wouldn't be surprised if the car picks up 80 or so from a tune.
Yeah. I know
we're gonna find out, but
I know when we dynoed Mike's car, the first ZR1 to hit a dyno.
yeah, and this is auto, and it just made 565 or something, 563. So not far off from what it was.
No. But I know, remember you looking at it and going, there's no timing in it. There's
Yeah. It actually had an okay amount of timing, but there was no boost,
Right.
and it was super rich.
Right.
Like this just went down to like 10.2 stock, so we're gonna find out. I just changed some stuff.
All right, now that we have our stage 1 numbers, aka headers, intake, and tune, we are going to be taking the LT5 blower off and putting a Kong Performance ported blower on. The very first one in existence. We're pretty excited for this. So we're going to be putting that blower on. We're also going to be doing math, I believe it can. A lot of different other things. We're going to kind of do them in little stages to show you what they do rather than just doing everything at once. So stay tuned for all of that. Subscribe, like, all that good stuff. Alright, so Matt is putting on the throttle body to the newly ported blower. Here is your old stock one. Also getting a pulley for this as well, aren't we?
Yep.
Okay, so that's the stock pulley. We're going to be doing an upper pulley. Get a little bit more boost out of it. As you heard Fran on the dyno saying it was only making about 15 pounds.
Yep.
Well, I'm going to go take a look at it without the blower, see what it looks like. I figured as much. So obviously we got the car protected. We got everything wrapped up. We always protect the cars. There's your stock kind of GM performance intake. And then we just got everything plugged up so we don't get anything in the engine. Hoses and clamps and everything. And then we're going to do a little testing on this. Stay tuned for the results. Also, stay tuned for track numbers because we're not just a shop that just puts numbers out there.
Race proven.
Yeah, we're going to actually prove it. So yes, we are going to take this out to the track, find out what it does. Then we're going to continue doing more stuff. We're going to do, I believe, the cam and math after this.
Yep.
Okay. We will show you all of those in different stages, but pretty good progress so far. There's a lot of people already claiming to be the first out there for this.
Really?
Yeah. Well, we're the first ones to show numbers, so how about that? Very first ported blower. Nobody can say that. Big shout out to Kong Performance for getting that out to us. He actually went to the dealer, bought one of these himself, ported it before we even had the ZR1 here. So that's pretty badass. Big shout out to them.